We're all set at Dignity Health Sports Park, and away we go with LA Galaxy in the white kits. Great ball that is. Delivered by Choufis to Salinas. Abacassis trying to chip it and locating the face of the crossbar with a lovely effort.
Turning for San Jose midweek against Minnesota. Now, yes, they had to defend for 70-plus minutes being a man down, but when they send their wingbacks forward and they get Abacassis and Marcus Lopez.
Leggett, Alvarez. Neat interchange. Efrain Alvarez again. Lovely play from Alvarez.
Fit, he looked. Because he's always had the creative eye and the creative mind in these key moments, but now he's got the ability to blow by you as a defender. Maybe make those runs out of the midfield is caused some real headaches for the back four of the LA Galaxy.
Salinas. Marcus Lopez. Bobacy! And the second one. Same outcome as the first. Jonathan Bond, previously underemployed. Heroic not once but twice.
Jeremy Ebobisse wondering how Jonathan Bond gets to the rebound, because great work here again from an overlapping run of Marcus Lopez. Shea Salinas delivers that ball in, but Jonathan Bond with a great first save, but then the reaction on our target goalpost cam.
It's towards Ebobisse, and Bond again.
Goodness.
Another remarkable save by Jonathan Bond.
It's an absolute bullet of a header here from Jeremy Ebobisse, and I'm not sure Jonathan Bond, he gets a little touch on that, but it's the reaction immediately right after to get up. It's hit right at him.
Remedi. Abacassis and Ebobisse. This time he's done it. His first goal in San Jose blue against his favorite opponents. Grandsir. Opened up quite nicely for Samuel Grandsir. Deflection. Goalkeeper rooted to the spot and helpless, but only a corner.
Good attack there from the LA Galaxy.
Vasquez with this corner, which has gone in thanks to a moment of goalkeeping confusion. Victor Vasquez takes the acclaim, and Marcin Kowski was left red-faced.
Yeah, but there's real questions to be asked here of the way San Jose has set up their defensive posture on this corner.
Yul. Oh, good escape. And that too, from the most acute of angles, is a very unusual finish. But Javier Choufis Lopez is the man who dances a jig of celebration.
Slowing him down, stopping the attack, and then just a little shimmy of the hips. He's lost the defender. The technique is exquisite. Yeah, maybe a little deflection.
Vasquez. Grandsir. And it is San Jose's night in the latest Cali Clasico. And look what it means to Matias Almeida, jumping into the arms of his waiting staff.